Frustrated digging through Elementor for social icons? This guide shows you the exact clicks to add them in only 2 minutes. Start by editing your homepage, then locate the social icons section, add Facebook, and finish by customizing shape, alignment, and style. All right, let's dive in and edit your homepage with Elementor. Once you're in, click on Highlight to kick things off. From there, click on General. Then click on General again. Now, click on Social Icons. Then click on Social Icons again. Go ahead and click on Facebook. Then click on Add Item. After that, click on Shape. Next, click on Columns. Then click on Alignment. Now, click on Style. Finally, click on Advanced. And that's the whole flow. Thanks for following along. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.